Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. My name is Ryan Wilk, an attorney here at Reddy Neumann PC. This is my partner, Rahul Reddy. We wanted to present a short informational for our clients and for those of you out there who have some questions about, what can I do after my green card's approved? There's sort of a common theme among questions that we often get is, one, maybe when can I quit my employer once I've got my green card? And another is maybe, do I even have to join that employer? So, Rahul, we kind of have two scenarios to work with. First scenario is, Company A, they've sponsored my green card. My green card was approved yesterday. I want to go work for Company B. When can I quit Company
Today.
A? You can quit today.
You can do it today, yes.
Okay. So I get a lot of, hear rumors, things. Attorneys are saying, no, you need to wait 180 days. Do I need to wait 180 days to leave? Why can I leave immediately?
You can leave immediately. It's the premises for the green card is the offer of employment. The offer of employment was there with your employer, and you got the green card. You can quit. Absolutely, you can.
And the way that I would maybe think about it is you've got the I-140 approved that says you're qualified for EB2, EB3, maybe even EB1, and the government's been happy with that job offer. That's why they've approved the green card. So now that you've got the green card approved, you have nothing to worry about in terms of satisfying USCIS, in terms of who you might be working for. So then scenario 2 comes up. Company A sponsored my green card. That entire time I was never working for Company A. I've been working for maybe Company B. Now that my green card's approved, do I have to go work for Company A?
It's up to you. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And if you don't work with Company A, you want to continue with the Company B, your green card will be yours and you will not have any problem whatsoever at all.
Let me ask if you would agree with this statement. And this is a loose statement, but generally, can you maybe think of a green card as U.S. citizenship without the right to vote? And maybe some other travel restrictions that you have? But I'm a U.S. citizen, I can go work for whoever I want. Is that kind of the same thing once I've got a green card?
Absolutely. As far as the employment is concerned, though, you can work for any company that you want to. There are some travel restrictions if you're going outside the country for more than 180 days. We're not going to discuss, but as far as the employment is concerned, you can work for any company. You can work for multiple companies at the same time if you want to. You don't have to work for the Company A, even though they sponsor for the green card. The premises for the green card is the employment, whether or not there is an offer of employment. The offer of employment is there, and you got the green card, and that's it.
And by approving that green card, that's USCIS saying that they are completely happy with that job offer and all those bona fides of the
That's
job
right.
offer.
Then how come, Ryan, a lot of lawyers and YouTubers are telling that, you have to wait for 180 days?
So there are a few of these, what we call 180-day rules. And I think when attorneys are saying this, it's a misconception of maybe there's two 180-day rules. One is a 180-day rule on the I-140. When can maybe that I-140 be taken away from you? Another is once you filed and not had yet approved the green card, there's a 180-day rule there. There is no 180-day rule after the green card's been approved. So once your green card's been approved, on moment one, you can work for whatever employer you want. So now that I can maybe work for whatever employer that I might like, can I start my own company once my green card's been approved?
Yeah. Before I go into, I want to touch more about this 180-day rule. These lawyers are getting confused between the I-140 and moving the employment after you file a 485 application. And they're interpreting as if that you have to wait and work for the company for 180 days after you get the green card. There's nothing in the law that says that. Nothing in the law says that you have to continue working for the company for 180 days or go join the company. In fact, contrary to what they are telling, the USCIS memo clearly indicates that your employment with the company is irrelevant for you to get the green card, though. We're going to put a link to the memo from the USCIS website, and it is in the 3rd page of the memo that's there. So if you want, you can read that memo. That is by the USCIS. It's clearly stated that your employment with the sponsoring company is irrelevant. Even if you don't work for the company, they should adjudicate a green card. This AC-21 law came into effect in 2000. That's 22 years ago, Ryan. Back in olden days, though, if you would have left the employment before you got the green card, okay, if you're working for the company and you left the company before you get the green card, there are consequences for it. But the AC-21 law, which became effective in 2000, that's 22 years ago, clearly states that you could move the job even before you get the green card. So here's a question you should ask a lawyer. If I can move the job before I get the green card, why can't I move after I get the green card? So definitely there is no logic in what they are telling about it. Now you're speaking about once you get the green card, can you start your own company? Yes, you can. You can start your own company. You can do any legal business that any US citizen can do it too. Absolutely,
Okay.
you can.
So I can quit my employer who sponsored. I can go, I maybe never even had to work for that company. I
No.
can start my own company.
Yes, you can.
Maybe say I hit it big in the stock market last year and I made, I wish, but I made $5 million and I'm happy to live off of that for the rest of my life. Do I have to work now? I have my green card. Do I have to work?
No, you don't have to. And if you quit like that, and if you don't work, will it cause any problem for you in getting citizenship? The answer is no. You're fine. You can quit. If you have $5 million, go quit.
And so,
You can take a break also if you want to. You want to take a break for 6 months and then go back to work, you can do that. You can get a promotion if you want to. I mean, if the company gives you promotion, you can do. You can work for any company. It doesn't have to be A company that filed, B company that you're working. It can be any company that you can work.
so you're not stuck in the green card
No, you're not
position.
stuck in the green card just because of the green card. Once you get the green card, you can work for any company. Absolutely not a problem at all.
And so you say I can go work for any company. Maybe my green card was sponsored for a computer science position. Can I go be a chef now that my green card's been approved?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can be a chef, you can be a lawyer, you can be flipping a McDonald's burger, you can be a Microsoft CEO, you can be a Uber driver, or you can just sit at home.
Once my green card's approved, I'm
Yes,
unlimited
absolutely.
on what I can do.
The only thing that I tell people is that don't be a dope dealer.
That will get you in trouble. That will definitely impact your
even
system.
though some of the states will tell that it's legal for marijuana, not according to the immigration law.
Yeah, that's
So that's one thing definitely I tell people to stay away. One other thing that will there be any trouble in getting the citizenship if you don't quit the job, don't work, if you just sit at home, you get a promotion, will there be any problem in citizenship?
There should be. USCIS is really going to ask two questions. One, have you held your green card long enough? And two, have you committed any crimes that make you inadmissible? Other than that, you shouldn't have any concerns about who your present employer might be when you're going forward for that naturalization.
Absolutely no problem. Even though some of the lawyers will cite that the officers will ask questions, just ask them, have you ever got any naturalization denied? Have you ever got any of the green card revoked because of this? None, zero, never seen it. I don't know where they are coming at this idea. So you can quit. Absolutely, you can quit. You can do whatever you want to. That's the whole reason why you got the green card, guys. You don't want to be in the shackles that you were been for all along. And people have been struggling to get the green card for past 10, some of the people 15 years. Absolutely not a problem for you to do what you want to do after you get the green card. Anything else?
Perfect. No, I don't think I have anything more to add, Rahul. We'll always have blogs and updated articles on our website, so feel free to subscribe. We have a newsletter going around that you're free to subscribe to as well. Anything else that you'd like to add, Rahul?
Thank you very much for tuning in.
Thank you.